Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Damasya Budi, a student of Office Administration Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University. Today I will present my thesis defense, which the title The influence of self-efficacy and family environment on interest in entrepreneurship. Students of economics education program, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta. Which the lecture mentor? First, Professor Dr. Handes Henry Arianto, MM, and the second Nifasla SPD MM. Next slide. Here is a table of contents with 5 sections as follow. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, Chapter 5. Now let's start with introduction and background of Chapter 1. This research background. First, bachelors have to knowledge, skills, and abilities to work. Second, the numbers of unemployed university graduates. Third, young people or students are proven to be more interested in becoming employees or staff. Fourth, self-efficacy in French entrepreneurial activities. Fifth, the family environment contributes to the influence of habits, interests, and motivation in a person. Next slide. Research questions. The first, is there an influence of self-efficacy on the entrepreneurial interest of students of the economics education study program, Faculty of Economics and Business? 2. Is there an influence of the family environment on the entrepreneurial intent of students in the economics education study program, Faculty of Economics and Business? Third, is there a direct, positive, and significant influence of self-efficacy and family environment on the entrepreneurial intents of students of the economic education study program, Faculty of Economics and Business? Research purpose. The first, analyzing the influence of self-efficacy on the entrepreneurial interest of students of the economic education study program, Faculty of Economics and Business. The second, analyzing the influence of family environment on entrepreneurial interests of students of Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business. Third, analyzing the joint influence between self-efficacy and family environment on entrepreneurial interests of students of the Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business. Next slide. Benefits of research. Part 1 is theoretical. Explain increase scientific insight and become a reference for further research in the field of entrepreneurship. Part 2 practical. 4 uh, 1 for research, 2 for study program policy makers, 3 for the readers. Next slide. Chapter 2 Literature review. Next slide. Research framework. Nah, form title The Influence of Self-Efficacy and Family Environment on Entrepreneurial Intents of Students of Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta. Next, literature review. Jesslyn Alvina Wijadi and Andi Wijaya 2020 23. Self-efficacy has a positive influence on entrepreneurial intents. 2. Harry Setiawan and Raffles Ginting 2023. Yep. The family environment has a significant influence on entrepreneurial intents. Jelasnya, jelas. Dewi Purwaningsih, Elin Kalina, N. N. Martinus Tukiwan 2023. The influence of self-efficacy on students' interns in entrepreneurship. Next part. Hypothesis. How one? There is a positive and significant direct influence of self-efficacy on students' entrepreneurial interests. How to? There is a direct positive and significant influence of the family environment on students' entrepreneurial interests. Hati. There is a joint positive and significant influence between self-efficacy and family environment on students' entrepreneurial interests. Next part, variable indicator and instrument. Independent variables and indicators, self-efficacy 3 indicators, family environment 4 indicators, dependent variable and indicators, intents in entrepreneurship 4 indicators. Next part, validity test and reliability test. Next, data collection is descriptive statistics, the analysis requirements test, classical assumption test, multiple linear regression hypothesis test, and determination coefficient. Next, multiple regression analysis, t-test, f-test, determinant coefficient. Next part, discussion, conclusion, implication, and suggestion. Next slide, chapter 3, research methods. Methods. Research methods in this first method, quantitative approach, which descriptive statistical methods and multiple linear regression analysis. The second, population, all active students of the ONG economic education study program in the relevant academic year, totaling 667 people. Sample. A total of 2,050 students and using the proportional random sampling technique. Next, fourth, data collection. Using a closed questionnaire that has been tested for validity and reliability. And fifth, data analysis. Descriptive statistics analysis requirements test, classical assumption test, multiple linear regression hypothesis test, and determinant coefficient. Next slide. Chapter 4. Data analysis results and discussion. Results and discussion. 1. Validity test. 2. Reliability test. 3. Normality test. 4. Linearity test. 5. Multicollinearity test. 6. Heteroscedasticity test. 7. Description statistics. 8. Multiple regression analysis. 9. T-test. 10. If F-test. 11. Determination coefficient analysis. Next slide. Chapter 5. The first conclusion. Self-efficacy and family environment have a positive influence on students' interest in entrepreneurship, with a contribution of 50.1%. Next. Implication. This research provides theoretical contributions to the development of entrepreneurship science as well as being a practical reference for research study program decision makers and readers to encourage interest in entrepreneurship through strengthening self-efficacy and the family environment. The last part, suggestion. This study suggests strengthening the relationship between students and their families, providing parental support for entrepreneurial interests, and developing further research with broader variables and methods for more in-depth results. Nextnya, next slide, sorry. Closing. First, provides new understanding about the importance of self-efficacy and family support. Two, encourage students opportunities to become successful entrepreneurs. Third, these results are expected to be input for educational institutions in forming entrepreneurial character from an early age. The last, the last slide, that is the presentation of thesis defense that I can convey. I'm very open to suggestions and input that you provide to improve my thesis. Thank you for your attention and time. I apologize if there are any shortcoming in the previous response. Furthermore, I invite you to provide questions or input related to this thesis. Thank you.